Namaskar. Once again, this is Piyush Verma from Om Vilas Benares. Today, I was just discussing with my team about the post which I had written yesterday, wherein I had mentioned that Nadesa Palace, Brijrama Palace, Tree of Life, and Om Vilas Benares. So a trade colleague had asked me that where would you like to rank your product as compared to the other three ones. So it is actually not the comparison. My team was asking that somebody had asked about the rank. I said no, it is actually not about the rank. I just mentioned about these three hotels. Because these three hotels are the only hotels who has got a different characteristic. They have got a character. So Om Vilas Benares is also a product which is going to come, which is going to be launched in the market, and it also bears a character. Nadesa Palace has got a separate character. That character is basically about a palace, and being run by the Taj, it has got a very, very high standard. Brijrama Palace, that's a beautiful property, beautiful location, awesome service, and it also has a characteristic that it is also a palace and yet placed on the banks of river country. A friend of mine opened a hotel about 3-4 years back, which was Tree of Life. Now Tree of Life is also a product which has got a specific character. He's tried to merge the local ethos into his rooms and the product and the property. Now similarly, Om Vilas Benares is a product which also bears a specific characteristic. Now it is situated in a village, spread out in 9 acres, as I mentioned in my previous video. We purposely chose that we should have a piece of land wherein we could get a feel of a village. We could also be very close to the city. So this was a land, where we decided that we'll create a product which in itself becomes a destination. Creating or making a hotel is not very difficult, but when you create a destination, it's always a challenge. And me and Dishant, we thought of creating something very different, very unique for the tourism industry. And the government has also been very kind enough to have accepted this kind of a thing, because I got this idea from Shri Narendra Modi ji's tented accommodation, which was there in the Pravasi Bharati Divas. But that was a little different concept, and we are having a different concept. Now, the major USP of Om Vilas Benares is the activities, it's the experience. This is what will make it a different product from usual and regular kind of hotels, wherein you use marbles, centrally air conditioning, and other things. I mean, other very good things. They are also very good hotels. I mean, no doubts. But they are regular hotels. Let us accept this fact. To create an experience, and now people are getting bored of the regular product. Everybody wants to have a change. You can't go every time out of the city to experience something new. You have short of time. Then you also have inbound tourism, which would also not like to stay in a hotel which had been very regular, and they have it in their own countries. So this kind of a product was the need of the hour, and we thought and we made it. Now, attaching to this Om Vilas, very close to Om Vilas, I'm also coming with a different concept which will be known as the Culture Gully. Now that Culture Gully, like you have Thamel in Nepal, in Kathmandu, on a similar note, we'll have a Culture Gully which will operate almost 24 hours a day. It will be operating from the morning till the evening. Now this Culture Gully will be having somewhere around 50 to 60 counters, 50 to 60 shops. Hi Dishant. 50 to 60 shops which will have the products made by, manufactured by local artisans, because these are the things which are being manufactured at a very interior places, and we like them also, but there is no proper place where it can be showcased or they can be sold. We have got so beautiful craftspeople, whether it is related to the wood, whether it is related to the silk, whether it is related to marble, whether it is related to mud, or any XYZ things. You think of it. So we need to have that kind of a culture gully which can promote these people, and our efforts to work on the sustainable tourism really would mean then only. So after Om Vilas Benares, maybe within 6 to 8 months, we will be coming with this culture gully also, and it will be in combination. It will not only be open for the people who are staying at the Om Vilas, but it will be all for the people who are not staying at the Om Vilas also. They are staying in the city, they are staying at the Sarnath, they are staying by the airport side. The accessibility, the parking and everything will be so great that the inbound tourists who will be coming to Benares, they will make sure that they have a small visit. They can spend about 2 to 3 hours, and it will be a part of the itinerary. Like we have the morning boat ride, we have the evening Ganga Aarti, we have Sarnath, we have city tour, and one more addition is required, that is the culture gully. Actually, it is required. Thank you so much, and I'll be in touch with you again.